Yes, it's the good old summertime, and we have a Greek-flavored tangy recipe that features roasted savory meat. We call it Sizzlin Greek Kabobs, flavorful, yummy, and oh so easy to make. All you need is a hot grill, some skewers, and in no time at all you've got a fantastic, filling, fiery feast. Ah, Sizzling Greek Kabobs. For your Greek marinade, combine 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3 cloves or 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then whisk your ingredients together and put aside. For your meat, cut up 1 pound of top round or London broil steak into bite-sized bits, and then mix well with your marinade. Then place everything in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or leave it in overnight for even more flavor. That's going to be some tasty beef. Now it's time for the fun. First, cut up some zucchini, onions, and peppers into chunks. Then remove your meat from the marinade and add it in. Put everything on skewers and fire up the grill. When your grill's ready, put on the skewers. Use flat metal ones, which keeps the meat from flipping as you turn them, but you can use bamboo or wood. Grill for about 7 minutes until the meat's medium rare and your veggies are tender. Doesn't this look scrumptious? And when it comes to tasty meat, nothing beats a little Greek summertime flavor from the grill. This is more than a meal, it's perfection. Ah, Sizzling Greek Kabobs.